Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LegalZoom for document generation, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the installation of LegalZoom for document generation, visit the official LegalZoom website. Once on the home page, locate the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on that button to create your account. Fill in the required fields with your personal information, including your name, email address, and password. After entering your details, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box to accept them. Then, click the Create Account button. Following account creation, you will receive a confirmation email. Open that email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Return to the LegalZoom website and log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the document generation section of the website. Select the type of document you wish to generate. The system will guide you through the necessary steps to complete your document. Fill out the required fields as prompted. Review your document for any errors or missing information. Once you are satisfied with the information, submit your document for generation. You may be prompted to choose a payment method depending on the type of document. Enter your payment details when required. After your payment is processed, your document will be generated. You will then be able to download your document directly from the website. If needed, you can also access your documents from your account dashboard later. Ensure to keep a backup of your generated document for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.